What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video, we're going to be battling out two different IT Cosmetics products. It's going to be a battle between the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC+, which also contains the SPF 50 UVA UVB, versus the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, which contains the SPF 50 UVA UVB. We're going to be doing a wear test throughout the day, seeing how these two products hold up and which one will come out the winner. I am collaborating with my really good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Lizzie, also known as What Would Lizzie Do. Go subscribe to Lizzie's channel if you aren't already, and also check out her video because she is one of my really good friends here on YouTube. She's so down to earth. I've known her for a few years now, and you guys will absolutely love her channel. So I'm going to link her video and her channel right up here in the card area, as well as down below in the description box. So in case you guys are new here, consider subscribing, as well as don't forget to hit the little bell notification to be notified of new videos. Let's jump right into the battle. I'm going to just give you guys some background on these products, which I'm going to read straight off of the website. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC+, which is a color correcting full coverage cream. Truly gives you full, flawless, perfect coverage and protects your skin with SPF 50 UVA/UVB broad spectrum physical sunscreen. This breakthrough color correcting cream never creases or cracks and instantly camouflages skin imperfections, including dark spots. Plus, it's infused with an advanced anti-aging serum made of hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, vitamins, and antioxidants. As for the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, this is the full coverage moisturizer, which also contains SPF 50. It's your first ever full coverage moisturizer from IT Cosmetics that gives you the power to say bye-bye to traditional foundation and hello to your most beautiful skin. It's designed to help cover and improve the look of skin concerns, including redness, pores, dark spots, breakouts, lines, and wrinkles. Created with proprietary 3D Flex technology, your hydrating color-infused moisturizer provides smooth, flexible, pure color pigments that float over lines and wrinkles. This is more of like a full coverage moisturizer. IT Cosmetics CC+ is more of a color correcting cream. The Bye Bye Foundation is $39.50, 1 fluid ounce of product, whereas the Your Skin But Better CC+ is $38, contains 1.08 fluid ounces of product. They both come in a squeeze tube with a pump applicator. A slight price difference, and you do get a little less product in the Bye Bye Foundation. If you ask me right now which one I like better, I like both of them equally. So it'll be interesting to see how both of them perform side by side. I have a very oily T-zone, and I'm pretty normal around my cheek area and my chin area, at least for now. I already applied my moisturizer, prepped my skin. I'm also going to be using, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which I'm just going to apply to my T-zone. So I'm going to be applying these two products with a damp sponge. These are from Sonia Kashuk. I have two different kinds, so the product doesn't get mixed up. Start with the IT Cosmetics CC+ in the shade Medium Tan, which I'm going to apply on the right side of my face, and I'm just gonna blend it out with the sponge. I just went ahead and turned down the brightness a bit so you guys can see how it looks a little bit better. So this is one layer. Just gonna add a little bit more because the damp sponge does shear out the foundation a bit. One side with the CC+, and the other side, which is still pretty bare. Now I'm gonna go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation in the shade Medium Tan, and just gonna do the exact same thing. There we go. Dab it out. So this is one layer of the Bye Bye Foundation. Shade Medium Tan for the Bye Bye Foundation is more on the yellow side. Now I can kind of see the difference between the two with the CC+ and the Bye Bye Foundation, because I feel like the Bye Bye Foundation gave more of like a smoother, more seamless coverage than the CC+. Add just a little bit more. are 2 layers of the Bye Bye foundation and 2 layers of the CC Plus. And looking at the coverage, the way how it blended out, side by side, the Bye Bye foundation is a little bit ahead of the CC Plus. Just to be fair to this, I'm going to set the foundation with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Just gonna set it. I'm not going to retouch throughout the day. This is it. I'm just gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. So I applied the rest of my makeup. I didn't use any more of the IT Cosmetics setting powder, which I'm actually even gonna leave here at home so I don't forget and touch up through the day. I'm not going to blot throughout the day. I didn't even set it with a setting spray. They both feel very nice and lightweight. With the CC Plus, a tad bit heavier. Right now I'm kind of leaning more towards the Bye Bye foundation just because it doesn't look like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. So it is now 12:49 p.m. I'm not going to blot or touch up. You guys are just going to see exactly how these two products perform on its own. Thank you. Yeah. It is 4:36 p.m. It's been about 4 hours. Let me actually grab my mirror so I can take a look at it up close. It's looking pretty good on both sides. A little bit shiny on my nose, but I mean that could just be highlight. But I mean, it looks good on both sides. A tad bit shiny, but that's like normal for me. I think the makeup still looks pretty good. So 4 hours, both of the products going strong. So we just arrived at home. It is now 11:27 p.m. I've had on both of the products for almost 9 hours. A little bit shiny in my forehead area, which is quite normal. My T-zone is oily, but it looks like I just need to blot just a tad bit and maybe touch up a little bit, but both of the products look like they are still intact. They're not breaking up anywhere. I know at the beginning when I first applied both of these products, I had said that I liked the way how the Bye Bye foundation looked upon first application, which is still true, but when it wears throughout the day, honestly, they look exactly the same. I have to say that I like the way how both of these products performed. The wear time on these are amazing. If I didn't tell you guys I was wearing 2 different products on both sides of my face, I don't think you could even tell the difference. So which one I think won this battle? It's gonna have to be a tie. If you already have the CC Plus, I don't feel that you really need to go out and purchase the Bye Bye foundation or vice versa. In my opinion, I like both of these products, and these are products that I know I'm going to always keep in my holy grail status. Probably interchange it. Maybe I'll buy the CC Plus one time and then the Bye Bye foundation the next. Wish I had better results for you guys, but that's my honest opinion. If you guys have tried these products, let me know your opinions, comments, your thoughts. I'm curious, what did you guys think of these 2 products? Make sure you guys check out my girl Lizzie on her results, which one of these products worked out for her. Make sure you guys show her video some love. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that like button, consider subscribing before you guys leave, hit that bell notification to be notified of new uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.